Ever wondered what it'd be like to actually know what you're doing with your voice when you walk on stage? Yeah! I mean, who wouldn't want to spend a whole day just making crazy sounds? I know I do. You're going to be making sounds. You're going to be unlocking new things. Ooh. You're going to be letting go of old beliefs. You're going to be moving forwards, become self-empowered. You're going to become a new version of yourself. That's quite a lot to offer, isn't it? Maybe I should undersell this. You're just going to learn some stuff about voice. 13 figures for voice, 6 voice qualities, opening up a whole new world of opportunities for you and your voice. So why not join me for an introductory workshop on Estelle voice training? You can find out more by clicking the link below or checking out the link in the bio. In fact, maybe I should just go on and do the whole thing again. Oh. And if you don't, I'll just keep all the secrets to myself. That's good for me. I've never been that great at that one.